Hello Olympiad aspirants. Welcome back to the YouTube channel of F2S Olympiads classes. Here I will help you in Olympiad preparation as well as you are going to get the updates and detailed knowledge of various Olympiad exams. We are going to start an Olympiad preparatory series for grade 5 to 7 for mathematics. We start with the preparation of Silver Zone Mathematics Olympiad, where I will teach you to solve the comprehensive book of Silver Zone. In this book, every chapter contains 40 questions, which I have divided in 3-part videos of 14, 14 and 12. You will get 2 videos every week for your respective class. To get the updates of these videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Now let's start with the worksheet questions. Grade 7 Silver Zone Comprehensive Book. Chapter 8, Video Part 1. Question number 1. Let A and B two finite sets such that NA equal to 60, NB equal to 110 and N union B equal to 140. Find N intersection B. So we know the formula N A union B equal to NA, the number of elements in set A plus the number of elements in set B minus the number of elements present in both the sets. That is your N intersection B. ठीक है? And N union A means होता है कि सारे sets, total number of all the elements in set A and set B. Okay? So it is already given 140. We have to find this one. So what we will do, we will just take it in the left side, and A intersection B means the elements present in both the sets, and equal to NA is your 60 plus NB is your 110 minus NA union B. ये आपका इस साइड चला आएगा. That is your 140. So if you just simplify it, so you will get 30. So 30 elements are there which is common in both A and B. Okay, the first answer will be option C. Okay. Question number 2. In a group of 75 people, 48 like coffee, 36 likes cold drink and each person likes at least one of the two drinks. So how many people like both coffee and cold drink? Okay, so here total number of people is 75. It means an A union B is given as 75. ठीक है? Equal to, we know, देखो set the number of students who like coffee, suppose that is A, and who like cold drink, that is B. So that's why an A union B 75 हो गया आपका. Now apply the same formula. N A plus N B minus NA intersection B. NA is the number of person who likes coffee only, and NB is the number of person who likes cold drink, and NA intersection B is the number of person who likes at least one of the two drink, means either coffee or cold drink. We have to find this one, NA intersection B. Okay, now we can just write it, and A intersection B will be equal to 84 and minus 75. तो ये हो जाएगा आपका 9. That is your option B. B for brilliant. Option B. Second answer is option B. Come to the question number 3. If number of P minus Q set equal to 67 and P intersection Q equal to 84, then find N P union Q equal to 210, then find N Q, means we have to just find the number of elements present in the set Q. ठीक है? So we know the formula N P minus Q equal to होता है आपका N P minus N P intersection Q. ठीक है? NP आपको दिया हुआ नहीं है. We will find the NP. तो NP will be equal to NP minus Q. ये तो आपका दिया हुआ है. So that is your 67 plus NP intersection Q. ये आपका दिया हुआ 84. equal to it is 151. Okay. Now we know NP, we know NP union Q, and we know NP union Q. To apply the same formula which we are applying. So NP union Q equal to NP plus NQ plus, sorry, it is minus NP intersection Q. ठीक है, तो NP union Q इक्वल टू योर 210 इक्वल टू NP आपका है 151 एंड Q हमें पता नहीं है, वी हैव टू जस्ट फाइंड आउट दिस माइनस NP इंटरसेक्शन Q, तो ये आपका दिया हुआ है 84. This implies after solving it, NQ will be equal to 143. Just subtract this 2, ठीक है, and again subtract it in 210. So you will get 143. It is option C. The third answer will be option C. Question number 4. Find the difference of the sets containing the letters of the words mathematics and gymnastic. तो डिफरेंस ऑफ द सेट्स, इट इज नॉट सेड कि सेट A माइनस बी और B माइनस ए. तो सपोज A, लेट A इक्वल टू, यहां पर हो गया आपका M A T H E मैथमेटिक्स, ठीक है, दिस इज योर सेट A. नाउ द सेट B इज जिम्नास्टिक, JIMNASTIC. Now we will find first A minus B. So A minus B means the number of elements which is present in A but not present in B. ठीक है, वो सारे हो जाएंगे आपके. तो M is here, yes, M is here. A T H नहीं है, E नहीं है, M नहीं है, मतलब M था उसमें बट देयर इज ओनली वन M, ठीक है. A नहीं है, T भी है, I भी है, C भी है, S भी है. तो what are the things which is extra available here but not there? What are? तो HE, तो HE, this is the difference. Now B minus A करना है हमें. B minus A, तो we will check what is here and not in there. ठीक है, तो देखो M, एक तो पहले आपका क्या नहीं है यहाँ पे, J is not there. I is here, yes, I is here. I'm just circling here. Okay, now N is there but N is not present in this. Extra number which is not present there, that is your JN. So JN. ठीक है, तो number of elements HE and JN, it is in the option D. The fourth answer will be option D. Question number 5. If 0, 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, 5 cube, 6 cube and Q equal to this, then which one of the following is true? तो देखो P equal to, I am just simplifying it, P equal to 0, 1 cube 1, 2 2s are 4 2s are 8, 9 3s are 27, 4 4s are 16, 4s are 64, 5 5s are 25, 5s are 1 2 5 and it will be your 216. So you can just see all the elements in P and Q both are same. So P intersection Q equal to P, yes, we can say. P union Q will be equal to P intersection Q, yes, as both the sets are equal. P union Q equal to Q, yes, it will be also equal. So that's why answer will be option D. So fifth answer is option D. Question number 6. Which one among the following statement is incorrect? कौन सा incorrect है? If M and N are two disjoint sets, then number of M intersection N will be equal to 0. So yes, disjoint sets means the elements present in A should not present in B. Both the sets will have the different elements. Okay. Option B. All the possible subsets of set A, AB are A, B, AB and phi. Yes, it is also correct. If P equal to Y upon Y by 8. Okay, let's solve it. Equal to Y by Y plus 8 equal to 8. So this implies y equal to 8y plus 64. This implies 7y equal to minus 64. This implies y equal to minus 64 by 7. So P will be your minus 64 by 7. The number of elements in set P is equal to 0. No, there is one element present. So this is incorrect. Set Q equal to 1 to 8 are the subset of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. Yes, as all the elements in set Q is present in set R. That's why we can say set Q is the subset of set R. So sixth C will be the incorrect one. Okay. Question number 7. If A equal to X, X is such that X is an odd natural number less than 20 and B equal to Y, Y such that Y is a prime number less than 20, then universal set for the above sets can be represented as. Okay, so first make the set A. So X is an odd natural number less than 20. So it will be your 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, so 19. It's 19. 19. This is elements present in set A. Now come to set B. Prime number less than 20. It will be your 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. Okay. A union B. We have to just write A union B. So all the elements present in both one will be written as except the common element. So one is here, one is not there. One will be written, 2 will be written, 3, 5, 7. These all are present in both one, 9 and then 11, 13, 15, 17 and 19. Okay, so all those elements are present in 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19 is present in C. So that's why seventh answer will be option C. Okay, come to question number 8. If U equal to this, A equal to this, then find A dash. A dash means it is known as the complementary sets. Okay? Complement of the sets, and complement of the sets can be find out by subtracting the set from the universal set. U is the universal set and A is the normal set. So how can we find the complement of set A? So by subtracting it. So how can we subtract? देखो कौन कौन सा एलिमेंट प्रेजेंट है दोनों जगह. 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8 and 16 हमारा प्रेजेंट है इधर. 2, 4, 6, 8, 16. Now we are left with 9, 11, 13 and 18. 11, 13, 18 is there. 11, 13, no. Answer will be your option E, because all the sets does not have the 4 elements. 9 Henny present, and it is different from the book's answer. Book is giving the option B, but option B is not correct as it is missing the element 9. 8th answer will be option E. Okay, come to question number 9. If V equal to A, E, I, O, U, then number of all possible subsets of V will be. So, number of possible subsets. What is the formula for the number of possible subsets? क्या है इसका फॉर्मूला? तो 2 to the power n, ठीक है, जहां n क्या है, where n is the number of elements present in the given set, present in the set or given set, you can just tell, ठीक है. तो how many elements are there? There are 5 elements. तो 2 to the power 5, that is your 32. It is in the option C. So ninth answer will be option C. Question number 10. If a set S has 511 proper subsets, then find the cardinal number. Cardinal number का मतलब है we have to just find n. Okay. तो cardinal number is the number of elements present in the set. So what is the formula? So first we know how to find the total number of subsets. So total number of subsets equal to number of proper sets plus 1. तो proper sets कितने हैं आपके? 511 plus 1 तो 512, ठीक है. एंड वी नो दैट टोटल सबसेट्स, अभी हमने लास्ट क्वेश्चन में किया था, टोटल सबसेट्स, टोटल नंबर ऑफ सबसेट्स इक्वल टू 2 to the power n. तो यहां पर ये आपका 512 इक्वल टू 2 to the power n. So this implies 2 to the power 9 will be equal to 2 to the power n. Since bases are same, so we can just write n equal to 9. So what is the cardinal number here? That is your D. So 10th answer will be option D. Come to question number 11. Direction is given. Okay. Based on the above diagram, answer the following question. A union B. A union B का मतलब है all the elements present in this set. So it will be your A, R, B, C, T, D. A, R, B, C, T, D. ठीक है. और A, R, B, C, T, D. इधर भी ठीक है. We are getting it in 2, 1. Okay. Now D, V, N, J, K, L. तो D, D हो गया यहाँ तक D. इसके बाद V, N, J, K, L. V, N, J, K, L. Okay. हो गया. Now M, X, E, U. M, X, E, U. बस. Extra sets are present here. This is the universal set. All the elements will be present in the universal set, but we have to find the A union B. A union B means the number of elements present, all the elements present in set A and set B only. Option A will be the correct answer. 11th answer is option A. Come to the question number 12. Direction of question. Okay, same direction is given. A intersection B. A intersection B का मतलब number of elements present in both the sets to M, X, E, U. It is in the option A. So 12 answer will be option A. Question number 13. A intersection B dash. A intersection B dash, how can we find? A intersection B dash means U minus A intersection B. तो इसका मतलब है इन इसको छोड़ के all the elements should be present there. ठीक है. तो A, R, B, C, T, D. ठीक है. V, N, J, K, L. ओके. इसके बाद S, O, Y, Z, H. ओके. ऑप्शन C. तो 13th answer will be option C. Question number 14. In a group of 48 students, 28 likes cricket, 22 likes hockey, and 18 likes neither of the game. Okay, how many students like both the game? Neither of the game का मतलब दिया हुआ है आपका कि if we just write cricket, the students who like cricket, that is represented by set A, and the students who like hockey, that is represented by set B. It means an A intersection B dash means who does not like any of the game will be equal to 18. ठीक है. And we know the formula, and A union B equal to U minus an A intersection B dash. Okay. So U means total number of students. So total number of students 48 minus who does not like any of the game. So that is your 18. So A union B is 30. Okay. Now Na is 28, number of elements in set A, 28, number of elements in set B, that is your 12. So use the same formula, Na union B equal to, we know that Na plus Nb minus Na intersection B. So who like, Na intersection B means the number of students who like at least one of the game. Okay. एंड ए है आपका 28 प्लस 12 माइनस 30. We already found an A union B as 30. When you just subtract it, so you will get 10. 10 is in the option B. So 14th answer will be option B. Okay. Hope you understood all the answers explained here. If so, please write yes in the comment section. I have provided the link of PDF note of this worksheet in the description box. You can download it from there. And if you want to practice more such questions, you can download our app from the Play Store and can buy the test series of your respective class. Thanks for watching.